Hello, I'm Angeli C. Alba Pascual, and I'm here to highlight some of the types of broadcast performances for radio. All announcers or broadcasters convey information via electronic information. The difference in performances vary depending on the information and tone that is being conveyed. My colleague Renee shared about the disc jockey, newscaster, and sports commentator performances, while Nolly discusses the moderator and voice talent or actor performance in their presentations. For me, I will talk about the narrators or reporters, program hosts, and commentators. Narrators or reporters provide running, descriptive presentation of an actual event. Program hosts facilitate radio program plans, gathering broadcast materials, write scripts, produces and delivers information and messages. Commentators take the news of the day, relates it to a past or the probable future, and analyzes their significance. Narrators, moderators, and commentators could sometimes perform together, especially during radio production that focuses on special affairs or events that requires hours of commentary. For example, the coronation of a new monarch or the installation of a new president or prime minister, as well as events such as the annual State of the Nation or election coverage. These performers must be able to weave together the various pieces of material that comes in from the field, such as discussions from experts and the provision of background information alongside the straight newscaster performance. Sometimes these different performances can come together in one program, or a person may take on different performances during different programs. For example, a sports commentator during a live basketball match may also act as a moderator during halftime, interviewing guests, moderating, discuss merits of game substitutions, or the performance of teams, and even on the court decisions of coaches. All these performances must be delivered in a clear, intelligible manner. Performers must develop and refine articulation, enunciation, pronunciation, variety, and intonation. Some performers, particularly program hosts, also deliberately cultivate performances that become uniquely theirs and it becomes their brand. For example, Nolly De Castro's suave, "Magandang gabi, bayan," Mike Enriquez's gravelly, "Excuse me po," or Ray Langit's bass voice. Here's my question for you for discussion. Who are the current radio performers that you like? Please share links to a sample of their work and tell us what type of performance you usually give and why you like them. Second question, what's a standout radio performance that you have ever witnessed? What was so memorable about it? Thank you, my colleague, on to my other colleagues from for Module 13 from Group A. Thank you.